Hello everyone, it's me. Today I show you the new features on Epicor Kinetic. On version 2025.1, we have more useful time phase. The first is planning parameters. Now we can update planning parameters directly. Okay, let I show you. We can change some values in inventory min, max. Now we check this on part maintenance. As you can see, the values were updated. The second is now we can run MRP directly on time phase. The system will make the fitter automatically base on the chosen part and plant. Let's try. With the new value on min on hand, system request a new job to fulfill stock. Please subscribe, like and leave comment for new videos. Thank you for your watching.